Hello.
Uptown Swing.
That's Brian.
Stacia.
This is level 1 8 count.
Week 4.
You learned the swing out for the first time. It was exciting. So we did, for the first time, a swing out from close. It looked like this.
Hey. Step, step.
So the footwork didn't change, but we ended up in a new place.
Yeah. And a couple things that we focused on were this boom, hey, 5. Just feeling on 5, going that way. We gave the leaders a little solo footwork exercise. Practice this. Hey, ha, hey, a trip, step, step, triple step, rock, step, triple, step, step, triple step.
And leads, that'll help you get good at that step back on the 1, which some of us were a little hesitant to do. Follows, we just went off to one side and practiced doing the 8 count footwork directly underneath ourselves. We practiced moving it just forward and not taking big reaching steps and not trying to keep straight legs all the time. And we also just tried to do it moving slightly backwards through space because, hey, as follows, we end up doing that kind of a lot.
Yes.
And so you were nailing it.
Great. And then we did a circle from open, and we put it together with the swing out from close, and it looks like this. Hey, ha, boom, hey, and circle it up. Boom. Then you can do a bonus circle from last week. Hey. And that's what we did. We'll see you later. Whee!